something very weird today. Something very weird. I do need someone to help me out for this. I need somebody very smart, somebody very intelligent, somebody very good looking, somebody like you, sir, with a black t-shirt. Yeah, please stand up. Just stay there and stand up. Just stay there. And find me somebody smart, intelligent, and good looking. Anyone? I am kidding. I am kidding, sir. You're wonderful. What is your name? Harshad. Harshad, you're a Gujju? No? तो कैसा हर्षद रे? अच्छा कोई नहीं. So Harshad, this is what I want you to do. Harshad, you like Bollywood movies, Harshad? You like Bollywood movies? So this is what I want you to do, Harshad. I want you to think of a movie. Or better, you know what? Think of a scene. Just think of it. Don't tell me. Just think of it. And keep playing that scene in your head over and over again, Harshad. Just keep playing it again and again. Okay? Harshad, this is important. Okay? Keep playing it, Harshad. Don't stop. You're doing great. You're doing fantastic, Harshad. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm already getting it, Harshad. This is nice. I think that should do it. Yep, that should do it. That should do it. Harshad, I have drawn something on this right now. Okay? Now, don't tell me what you're thinking of. I'll tell you what I've drawn. Okay? Harshad, only a yes or a no will do. This is what I believe you're thinking of. The scene that you have in mind has a nice scenery to it. Now, this is not the kiddish scenery that we make with the mountains and it's got mountains, but it's snowing everywhere. It's a very snowy kind of thingy where there's snow everywhere. Don't tell me anything yet. There's snowy everywhere, and there's cottage on the side which is kind of a bar. You know how they have in the glaciary kind of places? It's made of wood and stuff. Inside that there's a bar. Behind the bar there's a man. His name is Jeffrey. He has a tag over here. Hi, I'm Jeffrey. That's how I know his name is Jeffrey. He's half man, half goat, Harshad. Half man, half goat. In front of him there's a woman. This woman and Jeffrey are quarreling. The woman is a normal woman. She's not half woman, half goat. No, she's just a woman. But half man, half goat is Jeffrey. They're having a quarrel amongst each other. Yes or no? Is that the scene? Yes or no? No? Ladies and gentlemen, correctly predicted, no. There you go. That is... Oh my God. Half of you can't believe you paid for this. Anyway. Harshad. I really want to do something, Harshad. I really want to, Harshad. So I'm going to write something down even before you think of this. I will in fact hide it from you. A lot of people think, I'm going to do this here. A lot of people think because you see the pen move, that's how I would influence Harshad to say what I want him to say. I'm going to hide it and write it down, Harshad. Right here. Harshad, in a moment, I'm going to tell you to think of something. Okay? Yeah, that should do it. Harshad, I'll tell you what I've written. Did you see what I'm writing? Could you see it? Are you sure? Okay, Harshad, this is important. Just a second. Think of a 3-digit number for me. Name it out loud. 729. 729. You sure you don't want to change your mind? Nothing? Really? So you're absolutely sure that you're thinking of 729. And there is no way I could have known that. Can I now? You are not thinking of 670, are you? No? Okay. You're thinking of 7, what was it again? 720? It's okay. Look at this, it's okay. 7-2, and no way I could have known that, right, Harshad? Ladies and gentlemen, not 670, but 720, ladies and gentlemen, look at that. Okay, this was stupid. I agree, this was stupid. I'll tell you what this is, I'll tell you. See, what I have attached to the board here is a fantastic thing, actually. This is a fake hand. Harshad, look at that. $700 for this shit. I'll tell you this. I know, seriously. There's a price tag right there. $700. See, this is a very useful thing, Harshad. You can do this. You can take, at your home, shower curtain, you can hang this over there like this. Switch on the shower. People will think you're in the shower for the whole day. Just brilliant. And you will be on the terrace smoking weed or something. Now, I really want to do this. I really want to do a trick. It's high time. I've been up here for like forever and I've not done anything. Harshad, do you play cards by any chance? You do? Shit. Okay. No, it's okay. Harshad, we've got a nice deck of cards here, Harshad. Harshad, in fact, do you mind joining me on stage for this? Give Harshad a round of applause. Fantastic. Harshad, stand here, Harshad, right here. Lovely. Face the audience. That's a nice t-shirt. Good, good, good. Okay. Now this is what you're going to do, Harshad. Can you shuffle cards without dropping them? Okay, take these, shuffle. Thank you. Now. No, I'm kidding. Take them, shuffle. Mix them up. See, that's a good shuffle right there. This is the whole Teen Patti style shuffle. The lungi and the beedi on the nukkad shuffle. This is the same guy who sits on the nukkad. Okay. Now, Harshad, that was a good shuffle. Harshad, I want you to put the cards back in the same order now. Even I can't do that, Harshad. Even I can't do that. It's okay, Harshad. I speak, you don't. Here's the thing. Harshad, every single card in this deck is different, right? Can you confirm that for the audience? Every single one of them, you shuffle them? Yes. Every single card in the deck is different. You're going to select one, Harshad. But I want to give you the free choice of selecting anything you want. So I'll go like this. You can change your mind if you want. I'll go like this. You'll say stop anywhere you like. Right there. That was nice. You want to change your mind or are you happy with this? That's it. Don't look at the card, Harshad. Don't look at it. Just sandwich the card in your hands like this. Fantastic. Now, Harshad, you have a playing card. You shuffle the deck. Every card was different. You could be holding any card that you wanted. Stand here. I don't bite, Harshad. वो छोड़ दिया मैंने. You could be holding any card. You could be holding any card out of a deck, Harshad. You don't know what it is. I don't know. Nobody knows what the card is, right? Now, I'm going to try this, Harshad. I'm just going to simply try this. We will write this. Okay. Harshad, I'm going to write down what the name of the card is here. Okay, even before seeing it. So this is going to be absolutely brilliant. And people will go absolutely bonkers. Okay. Harshad, I am done. Harshad, turn your card over. What card have you picked? The 10 of hearts. Now you could have picked any card you wanted. And even before you showed that you picked the 10 of hearts, I already wrote down what the name of the card is. Ladies and gentlemen, that's exactly what I've written. What the name of the card is. That's it. No, that was stupid, Harshad. That was stupid. But no, let's be honest. You could have picked any card you wanted. You had a free choice there, right? Lovely. Check this out, Harshad. Don't move. Don't blink. Watch the board. 10 of hearts, yes? That's a 10. Ladies and gentlemen, the 10 of hearts! There you go! That's the magic bit, bro. That's nice, bro. Give me one. No. Thank you so much, Harshad. Give Harshad a round of applause. You can go back to your seat, man. You can use the stairs. Yes, good.